It is the very embodiment of a predator, a soulless, remorseless beast which carries with it the weight of uncounted alien minds, all hungry for our flesh.
The Dagon Overlord is the war leader of Hive Fleet Dagon, a synapse creature which spearheaded its Hive Fleet's assault of the Jericho Reach. This genus, whether crafted as a bespoke tool to sunder its foes, or awakened from the hive mind's greatest arsenal of weapons, has regardless left a lasting impression. Cleaving the amethyst spires of Tremalov Hive, slaughtering its defenders within a single month of conflict, those who fled from the planet of Castabel tell of a warrior without peer, which exceeds even the strength of a hive tyrant. The Overlord, as it is known by common parlance, glistening in fluids which seep from its chitinous armor plating, its tangible gruesome mood instills fear in its enemies, whilst emboldening those which fight by its side. Embodying Hive Fleet Dagon's hatred towards the denizens of the Jericho Reach, every significant combat zone of the Orpheus Salient has endured the wrath of this entity, as swarms devour its doomed inhabitants. Its continual redeployment causing many to believe that several Overlords exist as part of a new breed of bioforms. Whatever its true essence, both the Ordo Xenos and Deathwatch Space Marines' attempts to discern such have all failed miserably, losing all hands in the process. Rising from every stalemate, even stronger to counter its foes, this Gestalt avatar of violence carries out the will of its Hive Fleet, with no signs of ending its spree of conquest.